Welcome to Poplin, a new kind of gig. I'm going to show you the steps of starting or beginning to become a Poplin Laundry Pro. You will see a couple of screenshots that will show you some tutorials, the steps to become a laundry pro, some testimonials, the amount that you can make if you do it full time. I am not doing it full time, so I do not have the capacity to make as much as I would like to because I have a full-time job. But come along with me as I show you the screenshots of becoming a laundry pro. Hey guys, back with another video. We're on our way to do another Poplin order before I have to be to work. So this order has one bag and it's in a 55 or older community. So let's go get this order.
In 100 feet, turn right onto Big Bethel Road. Take the next right onto Big Bethel Road.
And that's all to it. Pick it up.